Getting tough on drug use. Richland City Council passing 2 municipal codes addressing drug use and paraphernalia in public. Tonight, the police Facebook post that's getting a lot of attention and why an arrest may be the first step in someone's journey to sobriety.
We're seeing more overdoses and deaths related to the fentanyl.
In 2021, State v. Blake in Washington ruled that the state's felony drug possession statute was unconstitutional. On Facebook, Richland police said since that ruling, they've seen an increase of open drug use in public areas. They say the Richland City Council passed 2 municipal codes. One criminalizes the public use of drugs. The other makes it illegal to dump paraphernalia onto the ground or into water. But are more arrests the solution to ending the drug crisis? Andrea Munder with Ideal Options says they're able to get people back on their feet, even if it means helping them while incarcerated.
If they come into the jail and they've recently used any sort of opiates, we have the ability to prescribe them some medications to kind of help them withdraw from those medications and then get them on something a little bit more long-term to help them with their sobriety.
She says sometimes an arrest is the beginning of someone's journey to sobriety because they can get the help needed to break the cycle of addiction.
And if we don't get them the help when they're incarcerated, they're just going to go back out and they're going to have these horrible cravings and these withdrawal symptoms still, and they're going to go back to use.
But it doesn't end with incarceration. Andrea says it's important that patients follow through with their clinic after release from jail.
And making sure that they're partnered up with some sort of an outpatient to help them continue. We have same-day appointments. If they're released, we have partnered up with the officers to be able to give them rides to the clinic if they need to.
She and her colleagues believe it'll take a community's effort to end the addiction crisis.
They're at a very desperate place when they're incarcerated and they're not feeling good. So just being that, that support person to try to help pull them out of that and give them some resources to do so.
And the Future Recovery Crisis Center plan for Kennewick will be a treatment option for those dealing with substance use disorder. Benton County also has Recovery Court, which aims to rehabilitate people facing charges relating to drugs.